Look, I know I look like I could be somebody's prom date right now. Don't say nothing. Don't. It's your girl Queenie Jones, back live in the flesh. And yes, I'm here with another tasty treat. Something good for me to eat. It's date night and I'm feeling sweet, okay? So let's go ahead and liberate these taste buds. Now, I was at American Food Basket earlier today, and you know how I am about getting stuff that just look cool. Now, I've had this honey before, Tropica. I'm not gonna lie, I have had this honey before. But why this honey delicious and unique and very eclectic? Like, I love me honey. Like, I be having it in teas. I just be like licking it. I just be having it. So, you know, I thought to myself, why not try some honey on this IG here? Okay? So, reporting here first. Prepare yourself, alright? Alright, so this is what it looks like. Oops. Shiitake. Boom. Put that all up in there. Ooh. Now, lychee is a very interesting pitted fruit. It got this like really thick skin that you like have to kind of almost peel off. Then it's like this yummy, soft, supple fruit. It's kind of like a rhubarb or rhubarb or something. But you'll notice it because it's red. It's very small, and it's like, what is this? It looks like almost like a little brain. I know, dig it. I was in Japan and I had it for the first time, and I was like, what is this? But it's very sweet. It's almost like perry meets a little bit of tropical meets, you know, grape. So pear, grape, tropical flavors. Okay, dig it. I really like this brand of honey anyway. You know, I'm just excited. Let me get there. Alright, so opening it up. It's date night, ladies. So you know, everybody has to have their little something to top it off, okay? For you. This is my pregame. Okay. Alright. Ooh. This aroma in here is like eucalyptusy, a little bit of alcohol. Hey baby. And pine. It doesn't smell lychee. Alright, so y'all ready? Lychee honey. Let's get it. Is this good enough for me to try? Just for me, this one out. Girl, it's date night, baby. It's date night, honey. You know how to get this honey in for my honey. But anyway, back to the taste though, right quick, because I don't want to go so hard off, you know. I'm going somewhere, okay? You already know. I love you, cuz. Alright, so it tastes, no cap, like the better version of cough syrup. I gotta be real. It don't taste delicious. I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to use this honey in multiple different things. Okay, period. On God, like, sweetie, you already know. But yeah, so it's disgusting, and I feel like I wasted my money, and I was really excited because I love lychee, and it's not where it's at. It's just not tasty. I'm gonna have to put it in honey, and I'm gonna have to like do a lot of things to it. for me to be like, probably gonna have to put in some baked goods.
Period.
Like some bread because we're hiding this. This flavor is like cough syrup, children's cough syrup. Ew. But we'll move on to the next ones. I'm really looking forward to the other Tropicana line. Tropical line of honey. Good thing I'm not sponsored. I'm just literally trying to. It's not good. Almost. Ooh, my breath tastes sweet. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it will, but it's just not where it's at right now. So you already know what it is. I tried, y'all. On to the next one. Until next time, something else amazing and flavorful will pull up on this palette. Something else, not this though. The last thing I had, the lemon plum, was way better. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I should throw that shit away and replace it. Like return it. Like ASAP. The door. Bye! Have a good night. You know I am. You already know what's gonna happen. I'm a sparkle. I'm a kid. He don't know what to do with himself, ladies. You already know how I go. Date night. How else you coming in? Bye!